Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I'm going to give you the 5 top reasons why you should pick up the Motorola Razr Plus. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm going to give you the 5 top reasons why you should pick up the Motorola Razr Plus. Yesterday, I did a video on the top 5 reasons why you may not want to or my concerns with the device. This video is going to be why you may want to pick up this beautiful looking phone here. But let's get into it. Now, these are my reasons. If you have the phone and you love it for something different, please let me know in the comments. We can definitely have a discussion going in there. I will try to answer everyone's questions or reply to everyone's comment. Again, like I did in the top 5 reasons why you shouldn't buy it, I'm going to start with the 5th one. So I'm going to go from number 5 all the way down to the reason why you should pick up the phone. The first reason, number 5, is the software. Now, I know yesterday I said the software may be a reason why you may not want to, but it could be a reason why you want to pick it up. For me, this is one of the reasons why I pick up Motorola phones. I like the Moto actions, I like the Moto software, and it's pretty much stock Android. I love the great experiences that I have when I pick up a Motorola device. And that is no different with this phone here. If you like other Motorola devices and you was thinking about getting it, you will love the experience you get with this phone. They have a lot of features on here. It plays well with each other, plays well with Google. It's just a simple software experience. Number 4, a lot of people don't like the big phones anymore. A lot of people want, you know, a smaller phone. Look how, when I have this in my pocket like this, you barely can tell you have a phone. Sometimes I'm like, oh, I forgot my phone. No, it's in my pocket. It just doesn't feel. But the magic part of it, now you have a pretty decent sized phone in your hands once you open it up. So if you want a smaller phone at one point and then for it to open up to a bigger phone, then this may be for you. Maybe, like I said, I used to like the big folding phones like the Z Fold 5 or even the Oppo Find N2, or not folding, the Z Fold 4, not the 5 yet. I probably will get the 5 though. This form factor right here is really good. I'm really enjoying it. I like the size of it. I didn't think I really would enjoy it. I thought maybe coming from a smaller phone to a regular phone really didn't interest me, but I am really enjoying my experience with the size of this phone. Okay, so let's keep this video going. The third reason I'ma say is the price of this device. Right now, the retail price is $999. You can get this from T-Mobile with a trade-in device and some bill credit, or even add a line for free. Yes, I said for free. AT&T has some deals on there. I think Verizon has a deal on here. You can pick up this device and get it for free, but even at $999, you get a lot of options. You get a lot of phone for that $999 price point. I think it's a great price point for this phone because of the features you get, the software, just the overall design. It's a great price point for this phone. Now, if you want to pick up from a carrier, even better, and you can get better deals with the carriers. So I think the price point is a great reason to pick up this phone. If you agree or disagree, let me know in the comments. The second reason why you want to pick up this phone is the overall performance and display of this device here. And when I say display, in the display, but the overall performance with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, the 8 gigs of RAM on here, the storage, everything works well. The 165 hertz refresh rate screen, this thing is a beast. It runs smooth. I haven't had any hiccups. Playing games on it has been really good. I'm trying to work on a gaming review too. That's coming out soon. But the overall performance on here with the Motorola software, the almost stock Android system on here, you're not going to go wrong with the performance on this device. No really slowdowns or hiccups that I had so forth on this device. So the number one reason why you want to pick up this phone, and the reason why you might want to pick up this flip phone over any other ones, is this beautiful 3.6-inch OLED panel right there. This is the reason why. This, like, I know the flip phone has a little thing down there, but you can use this panel and not use the end of the panel for pretty much everything. You can get your notifications here. You can watch YouTube. You can use this as an out of the display for cameras. This is the game changer. Again, I mentioned it in my like 48 hours later with the device. This out of display or external display, covered display, whatever you want to call it, is a game changer for this phone. I mean, you can swipe down, you still get your quick toggles here. You have all the options there. And it's just, this out of display is a game changer for Motorola. I love what they do. I know the Flip is going to have something similar to it, but this phone here is the first one out in the US that has a beautiful looking panel. It goes up to 144 hertz refresh rate. So if you want to search Twitter, you can do it really smooth. If you want to make it full screen, you can make it full screen and have no issues on here. This is a beautiful display. It's almost like having two phones in one. A really small little phone here, and then bam, you open it up and you have a big phone there. It's pretty simple. I mean, it's great to have, but if you flip it back, bam, it's simple there. So that external display or covered display is the number one reason why you might want to try out this phone. If you had other flips, or if you just was waiting like me, this is one of the reasons why I picked up this phone. So again, these were my top 5 reasons. Y'all let me know if you agree or disagree with me on these top 5 reasons. If you disagree, let me know. If you agree, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Motorola Razr Plus. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forwards Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.